I'm Commander Nick Reyes. We're here to rescue you.
Oh, thank heavens.
You're gonna get us out of here?
We have a transport ready for evac.
Mom, can you tell us what happened?
Cloud Circuit captured this. Death ship came out of nowhere. Big son of a bitch. Opened fire, knocked the asteroid off course.
Olympus was here, Captain.
Our own mechs attacked us.
That was no accident. SDF must have gotten into their programming.
Did you find any other survivors? There are more of us, but they never came.
And you're all that's left.
Landing pad's right outside. It's covered by heat shielding, though.
Materials here are highly explosive.
Roger that. Let's do this.
When you open us up to the airpad, the bots are gonna get in here.
You want to get out of here or not?
Get your people lined up. We're gonna have to make a run for the transport.
I'll take you to the switch, but I'm not pulling it, Captain.
Fever. Raider is opening an LZ for civilian evac. Be advised, exfil will be hot.
Solid copy. I'm in place.
Okay. This lever opens the shutters. I hope you know what you're doing.
LZ is open, Fever. Time your shadows.
You too, Raider.
Marines, protect your people. Fire when ready.
Hold them off! We evac on the night flight!